The other thing that I've noticed is we have a treatment called neurofeedback. And on the page on our website for neurofeedback, we have a couple of different success stories from people that have done neurofeedback. And what I've noticed is we're getting a lot more inquiry forms submitted on our website. It's noticeably higher numbers now. And the only thing I can really point to is having those testimonials on the website. Hi, I'm Amber Ratcliffe. I'm the founder and CEO of Arbor Health, Functional Medicine and Psychiatry in Rochester, New York. So Arbor Health works with people of all ages that have chronic, complex, and sometimes really scary conditions. They've been to a lot of doctors, they've tried so many treatments, and they just don't know who to trust anymore. And so we have amazing patient stories, but we found that a lot of people they just didn't have access to hearing those stories to know if they should also take the leap of faith and work with us. After working with so many doctors, a lot of people have physician fatigue and they just don't believe some of these amazing success stories without hearing it directly from the person. So we felt like hiring ShareOne to interview some of our patients to be able to tell their own story in their own words would really help people that were considering working with us make the decision to take the leap of faith and work with us too. So we are using the videos from ShareOne on our website. We have a dedicated page where we have all of our patient transformation stories, is what we call them. And we also link to that page in our follow-up emails from our sales calls when we talk to people that are considering becoming patients. When they submit the form to schedule a discovery call with us, the automated email sequence that goes out to them contains the link to the patient transformation stories. If there is a specific story that resonates with their same condition or age or something that would allow them to understand that we've worked with somebody that's very similar to them, that's had a great outcome, sometimes we will send that to them specifically. We also have been highlighting certain videos in email sequences that we send out. So for example, we work with a lot of kids that are on the spectrum or have a really severe mental health condition called PANDAs, and we market to school counselors through email. And so we've been sharing patient success stories with those conditions to those school counselors, in addition to providing more information on the conditions themselves to educate them to help recognize other children that may be struggling with those same problems. So we're using them in email campaigns. We've been starting to post them on social media, and we're getting ready to start using them in some Facebook advertising. So I would recommend ShareOne to any other practitioner or doctor out there. I think having patient success stories is so powerful. There's really nothing like a true story to help another person understand that they can heal too, that working with you is worth it. And I think a lot of people that are in medicine or have smaller clinics are used to trying to do things by themselves. But the fact is that we're all busy and we don't really have time to do this. And being able to work with ShareOne made it easy. We had hundreds of patients that could give us success stories. But we didn't have enough time to do it ourselves. We didn't have the skill. And honestly, I felt like it would feel a little bit weird on a video with one of our patients, asking them ourselves to tell about how great we are. So it was nice to have somebody outside of our own staff asking the patient to tell them how wonderful we were. It felt a little less like we were digging for compliments ourselves. So I really liked being able to just ask the patient if they were willing to provide a testimonial and then letting ShareOne take it from there.